Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today we will discuss about Gulika. Gulika is a upagraha of Saturn. As per Purana, Gulika is the son of Saturn. In astrology, it is a calculative point of zodiac. Gulika is very malefic in nature. Calculation steps. Step 1. Find out the day birth or night birth and weekday of the native. Step 2. Calculate the Dinman or Ratriman. Dinman is the day length and Ratriman is the night length of any given day. Now step 3. Calculate Yama by dividing Dinman or Ratriman by 8. Step 4. Add Gulika's Jamartha with sunrise or sunset and resulting time is Gulikodaya. Step 5. Calculate the ascendant with Gulikodaya and resulting degree is Gulika. Now let's take an example. Here the date of birth of native is 7th January 1990 and time of birth is 11:06 am. Place Kolkata and weekday is Sunday. And also sunrise time is 6:22 am and sunset time is 5:03 pm. Now the time difference between sunrise and sunset is 10 hours, 41 minutes and 8 seconds. This difference is known as Dinman. Now divide this Dinman by 8 and the resulting time is 1 hour, 20 minutes and 8 seconds. This is called Jama or Ashtamansa. Now native is either born in day or night. Depending on this, there is a calculation. As we know that every weekday has its own ruler. Like Sunday, Sun, Monday, Moon, Tuesday, Mars, Wednesday, Mercury, Thursday, Jupiter, Friday, Venus and Saturday, Saturn. This sequence is very important. Sequence means Sunday, Monday or Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn. Ashtamansa is rules as day ruler, after then ruled by next day ruler and so on up to 7th of 8 part of day. After that, the 8th part has no ruler. For example, for Sunday, first part is ruled by Sun, second is Moon, third Mars, fourth Mercury, fifth Jupiter, sixth Venus, seventh Saturn and 8th part has no ruler. For night part, first part ruler is 5th from day ruler. Suppose in above example, first part of night is rules as Jupiter. Because from Sun, Jupiter is 5th. So, the second is Venus, third Saturn, fourth has no ruler. Now again 5th has Sun, 6th Moon, 7th Mars and 8th Mercury. Please see the next charts for day and night rulers. Here on the left hand side all the weekdays and on the right hand side all the 8th ruler parts are given. For Sunday, first is Sun and sequentially 7th is Saturn and 8th is no ruler. For Monday, first is Moon and sequentially 6th is Saturn and 7th is no ruler and 8th is Sun. This no ruler part is the part of Gulikas and this no ruler part means the beginning of this no ruler part is the time of the Gulika. Similarly, for the night, Jupiter as the fifth from Sun is the first here. Second is Venus, third is Saturn, and fourth is no ruler. And then the continues, fifth is Sun, sixth is Moon, seventh Mars, and eighth Mercury. So for the night, always remember the first of the ruler is the fifth of the day ruler. Now the calculation continues. For day birth, Gulika is sunrise plus no ruler Jama duration. For this example, birth is day birth and weekday is Sunday. Then Gulika is sunrise plus Jama, means 1 hour 20 minutes 8 seconds into 7. As for Sunday, the no ruler part begins on 8. So we have to calculate 8 minus 1, that is 7 into Jama, and the resulting time is 3:43 p.m. This is the Gulikodaya. Now, just change the time of birth with Gulikodaya of a native's birth details. Here in this example, all are same, that is date of birth is same, only the time of birth is changed to Gulikodaya. And calculate the ascendant of this Gulikodaya. Result is Gulika. For this native, the ascendant is Pisces 18 degree 13 minutes and Gulika is Gemini 5 degree 10 minutes. Let's take another example of night birth. Here birth details is date of birth is 15th January 1990 and time of birth is 8:10 p.m. Here night birth and weekday is Monday. As for the night table, no ruler for Monday is 3rd. So the Ratriman is sunset minus next day sunrise time. And result is 13 hours 14 minutes and 2 seconds. And Jama is 1 hour 39 minutes 15 seconds. Then Gulikodaya is sunset plus 1 hour 39 minutes 15 seconds into 2, as the no ruler part has for this time is 3rd. Sorry, for this weekdays is 3rd, that is Monday. So the Gulikodaya is 8:27 p.m. So we just change the time of birth with Gulikodaya and calculate the ascendant for this time. So for this given date of birth, the ascendant is Leo 11 degree 42 minutes and Gulika is Leo 15 degree 37 minutes. Some rules. Gulika spoils the benefic significance of most of the houses by occupying them. Thus, all troubles ensue when Gulika occupies the Lagna. Only in houses 3rd, 6th, 10th and 11th does Gulika generate beneficial results. In the 10th house, it indicates delay in getting established in a career. The good results of Gulika, that is 3rd, 6th, 10th and 11th, are lost when the Rashi and Navamsa lords of Gulika are debilitated or combust. The association of Gulika with a natural Karaka always destroys the good effects of that Karaka. Classics hold the opinion that Gulika conjunct with the Sun creates lack of comforts for father. With the moon, it is bad for mother, and with Mars, it is adverse for brother. When Gulika joins Mercury, the native becomes mentally disturbed. With Jupiter, the native becomes a hypocrite. Gulika with Venus brings troubles from women and ruins marital life. Association with Saturn leads to disease and skin disorder. With Rahu, it leads to furnace to infection. And with Ketu, fear from fire. The Dasa periods of the dispositor of Gulika or its Navamsa lord may prove hazardous. Gulika in houses 1, 5 or 9 authorizes the Lagna lord to disburse the Maraka effect during its Dasa. Travel results during the Dasa of a planet that happens to be an associate of Gulika in the Rashi chart. Severe travels are also likely during the Dasa of any planet associating with Gulika in the Navamsa or Dadasamsa chart. Especially adverse results ensue during the Dasa period of Jupiter or Saturn when they associate with Gulika in the Navamsa or the Dasa of the Sun when it associates with Gulika in the Dadasamsa, or that of the moon associating with Gulika in the Trimamsa chart. Gulika can alter the results of other planetary yogas in the chart. All good yogas are lost when birth time and the Gulika Kala coincide together with another. A special rule. A point of 180 degree from Gulika is also considered as acutely malefic in the natal chart. This point must be taken into consideration when the lethal potential of a planet is to be determined. This is known as Pramana Gulika in Vedic Astrology. The dispositor of Gulika or Pramana Gulika may prove fatal during its Dasa, displacing the other Maraka or killer planets. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.